a lot. There you go. Nice. Yeah. Don't move that chin. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Good. 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 Oh, don't lean. Don't lean. There you go. There. What's happened? Step to the side again. Because you almost hit it. So step to the side, you'll get it again. There you go. Don't lean, remember? Make angles. Oh, oh. There you go. There you go. Don't let him do none of that shit. His hands go down. Hit him again. Make him respect you. Oh, good. Good. Good, man. Just keep that chin down. There you go. No! Why you say?
Too much ball.
No. It was bone, that's why. But what should we have done? Yeah, man. Because this fucking hurt your hand when you hit, man. Relax. So, we having fun. We are in the club in the summer. They are. What happened? Elbow popped up. Yeah, good. Step side, just your foot. I want to be the weight bully and step on your foot, remember? If you're moving too much for my flat pass, there you go. There you go. It's good. Don't lean. I know it's a foot.
Yeah.
Just make sure. Basic. Don't lean. Everybody, when you get to the big one. I can do it. Slow down. There you go. Good. Good. What happened? Boom! What happened?
Yeah.
What happened? Did I hear you say you're tired?
I get careless.
Yeah, man.
I get careless.
Come on, I was waiting for you to get in close. With your freaking giraffe arms right there. No, step aside. And if you get the chaos, what you do? Step away, breathe, go back in, right? There's no taller fighter. Use it. Straight, lock, remember? So don't move. So side. What happened? But that was good. But you should have added another one. Because now we're 1-1. 1-1 not good. What you should have done when I shot forward. Step side, yeah. Make me look like a damn rhino. Right? Don't fight my game. Fight your game. What you should do? Hey. you shot forward? Don't shoot forward. Make angles. Don't go into the bigger guys close to center, right? Make angles, man. Why you look down? Yeah, see, I backed up. But if you kept your eye contact, I wouldn't have backed up. Up real fast, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Ah. Why you lean for that? As you shoulder punch. Longer punch, remember? What you should have done. Yeah. Oh, good exchange. Beautiful. But what you should have done? Step back. And then pop the jab, yeah? Because now you let me get through too. But if you step back, your color, you would have made it. Don't lean forward. Your color. Move better. Why not? Why didn't you hit me? Why not, man? Because you were like this. Jump forward. Boom. Right? Looking back. See, the hand, I like it. Your chin good. Just remember. Breathe. Have fun. Why are you breathing heavier than me? I'm much fat overweight, man. Come on.
Sad, if I didn't accept.
Yeah, man, don't play that excuse. You're a white man right here in the sun. Come on, you. Yeah, should have this a sip in the air, man. Yeah, let's go. No, let's go. Come on. Come on. You want to win your fight, right? You got it, champ. Yeah, man. Next time I see you, I'm going to bring the foot ones, man. It's like a flat foot, but it helps you. It's only black, you know? Yeah. What happened? Yes! Inside. Hey, apologize for that. Yeah, man. Can't get here. Yeah. Still, if I did it overhand, boom! Then step side, boom! Don't let him get any point. Right? Because it's shots like that that hurt you. Not little shots that we're doing, but clean shots, no good. So never let that happen, okay? And two, a secret is, if you feel it, step. So it's less power. Now come over. Because if you go with the punch, less connection, right, man?
Yeah.
But you're doing good, champ. You're doing good, man. There you go. Don't let him get break, right?